Welcome back to my channel Techie Krish or JG Agra. In my last videos in programming in Python, I discussed the fundamental of Python. I discussed the tokens of Python. I discussed how to uh, find out the quotient when the values are positive or negative or of opposite signs. How to find out the remainder when the values are of opposite signs. So how to evaluate the remainder and how to evaluate the exponent or the quotient. And this time I'm going to means and in the last video I also discussed about the random module of the Python, and I shared uh, the MCQs based on the Python random module. And this time I am going to discuss the new type, which is the backbone of Python. This is your list. So list is a type of the Python in which you can say this is a structure which is in other words you can say in C or C++ it was treated as the array, but this is not the array here because array is static in nature, but the list is the mutable structure where you can insert the values anytime, you can delete the value anytime, you can insert between the values, you can remove the values, you can change the values. So this type is known as the mutable structure of Python. So there are the MCQs. Because we can slice the list, we can extract the elements from the list, we can add the element to the list. Now I'm going to give you the insights on the MCQs on list. So how to find out or evaluate the list. So I'm going to share some MCQs which you might like, and if you like, then kindly share and subscribe, and share with your friends who are going to appear at board exam. So let's move to MCQs. Over here if you see, there is a question. If there is a list, the list name is nums. There are some elements like 5318674. So I think 5318674, there are 7 elements in this list. So the question is, you will have to find out what is the length of this list. So obviously the length means the number of elements the list contains. So over here there are 7 elements in this list, and that is why the length of this list should be 7. So the correct option is D option, which says C is the length of the list. Okay, now the next question is, let me maximize this a bit. If in the same list, then what will be the value of the following expression: nums1 plus nums minus 1. So if you look at the index of the element in the list, the index begins when you move left to right from 0, and when you move right to left, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means when you traverse right to left, the indexes are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. When you move left to right, then the indices will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So over here if you look at the question, nums1 plus nums minus 1. So if you see num1 means value 3, and num minus 1 the value 4. So 3 plus 4, so it will give you sum as 7. So option A is, I think, is the correct option, because 3 and 4 is 7. So the correct option is 7. So this is how the result is 7. Now the next question is, if in the same list, what will be the value of the following expression, like minimum minimum of the list. So minimum number means minimum element in this list. If you look at, so there are 7 elements, and out of those elements, the element which is on index 2, that is 1, is the minimum element. So option C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, in the same list, then what will be the value of the following expression, max nums and minus minimum nums. So maximum value in this list is, I think, yes, it is 8, and minimum is 1. Maximum is 8 and minimum is 1. So max nums minus min nums, that is 8 minus 1, this should be 7. That is B option is the correct option. So these questions are very easy. You can evaluate very soon, very easily rather. Now next question is, in nums, the same list, what will be the value of the following expression? It means num 3 colon. So if you look at the syntax of list, so list has 3 parts. The first part says you will have to start from this index. The second part says you will have to move till the second part minus 1. And the third part is the star value, means you will have to use the gap of this step. So over here, if you look at, then nums 3 means starting index is given, so we'll have to start from 3. It means 5 is 0 index, 3 is 1 index, 1 is 2 index, and 8 is the third index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, the third index is 8. So we'll have to start 8 towards the end of the list. So the result should be 8, 6, 7, 4. So this nums 3 colon will give you 8, 6, 7, 4. So this should be the D option, should be the correct answer as far as I am concerned, because it says you will have to start from index number 3 and till end. So this is the answer. So these are the questions which are very easy, and you can use them and you can practice them maybe on Collab or ideally, or whichever platform you use, easily available to you. Now the next question is, so this question asks, if nums 5, 3, 1, 8, 6, 7, 4, this is a list, then what will be the value of starting with 0 index and go up to the third one. So it will start from 0 and will go up to 0, 1, 2, 3 will be excluded, and the stab value is not given, that is why the stab value is default, that is 1. It means we'll have to move till 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2 means 5, 3, 1 should be the option, and this is the correct answer. So this slicing is very easy. So if you do it patiently and with concentration, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. So here this is the answer. Option A is the answer. The next question is 5 3 was the same list, and over here if you look at the question, what is the output? Nums colon 3 means starting and ending indices are missing and only step index is given. So step value is given, so there should be the gap of 3. So first value is first index is 0, then add 3 to it, so it will be 3. So 5 8, and again if you add 3 to 3, that is 6. So index 6 means 4. So there should be the output 5 8 and 4 means B option is the correct option, I suggest. So this is the answer. Now if you see this, what does it say? It says in the same list what will be the value if the list I use -1 colon, it says start from -3 and go upward, means towards end. So -3, then the step is positive, it means you'll have to move. -3 means -1 is 4, -2 is 7, -3 is 6. So -3, -2, -1 should be the order because you are moving left to right, and that is why the answer is 6 7 4. B is the option, correct option. Now the question number 9. In the question number 9, again it is moving from left to right, and you will have to move till -3. Starting value is 0, and -3 means -1, -2, -3 means 6. So the values of this question, num colon -3 colon, will be 5318, should be the correct option as far as I am concerned. Let me check once again. -3, okay, 5318 should be the correct answer. Now in this question, -3 means now you are moving right to left. So this should be -4, then -1, then 8, then 5. So if you look at this question, nums colon 3, and since the step is -3 means you are moving right to left, so you will have to start backward, means -1 will be evaluated first, then and so on. So it should be 4 8 and 5, I think so. So let me check. 4 8 5 4 4 8 5 -3 4 8 5 5. I think yes, this is 485 is the correct answer. Then we move to question number 11, and over here in the same list we have to find out, we'll have to start from index number 1 and we'll have to go till 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 means 318 should be the correct option. So C option is the correct option. One, two, four, 1, 3 and 1, then 8. So 318 should be the correct option. Yes, this is the correct option. Now next question is, in the same list we want to evaluate 1 colon colon 4. Since 1 colon colon 4 means you'll have to start from 1 and you will have to go till end, but the stab value should be 4. So 0 means 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I think 1 is 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 7. So it should be 3, 2, 3 and 7. The first option is correct. If I'm sure, yes, I am sure the first option 3, 2, 7 is the correct option, because starting from index 1 to gap of 4. Now next question is, we'll have to start from 0 and we'll have to move till 1 means what? So from 0 to 1 means only one value, I think. So it will give you 5 only. Only one value, that is the 5 only. Yes, it is 5. Yes, it's 5. Now next question is, okay, so we are, if the list is the same, then what will be the value of the value of the following expression? So we'll have to start from 3 to 3. 3 start from 3, will go up to 3 minus 1, that is 2, and step up 3. So it will, I think it will not be executed, and in this case it will give you the empty list. It will definitely give the empty list, and I am sure. In the next question, if the list is having the values, what will the value of the following expression? So nums 1 colon 2 colon 3 means you will have to start from 3 and will go up to 1 and then gap of 3. So on index 1 is 3, so I will take 3 as the correct option. Yes, I should take 3 only as the output. So B option is the correct option. So when you look at this question number 16, and the list says nums 2, 10, 2 means start from 2 and move towards 20. So 20 index is not available, but the stab value is 2. So you will have to start from 2, that is 1, 0 1 2 1, then step up to 1 6, then step to 4, and so on. So this option in nums 2, 20 and 2 is compelling me to select option C as the correct output. Option option C is the correct output, because we have to start from 2 and gap of 2, and we'll have to move till 20. So 164 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is how we can slice the list, and you will have to take care while using the different indexes or indices. And when you are moving from left to right or right to left, you should be very careful. When you are moving right to left, the indices are minus, and when you are moving towards means left to right, then indices are positive and is starting from 0. So you should be very careful while copying the data from the list, and also be very careful while seeing the stab value. If stab is minus, then you will have to start from right to left, correct? So keep this in mind, and I don't think you can't do it. So we'll meet in the next video, and if you like this video, kindly share. And if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So this is a request. So we'll meet in the next video. Till you, bye bye.